Hey guys, in today's video we'll talk about the best 6 360 cameras and what to look for when buying a new one. We rank these products based on their performance, price, durability, and other factors. If you want to learn more about it, please read the description and check out the latest pricing. At first we have the GoPro Max. The new GoPro Max 360-degree action camera is determined to bring spherical video to the masses. While GoPro's Hero 8 Black is a great camera, the new Max 360-degree action camera is a much bigger upgrade with a unique feature set. Like its predecessor, the GoPro Fusion, it captures anything in its direct line of sight using two 180-degree fisheye lenses. And further to that, here it can also automatically stitches these two hemispherical video files together, which is a huge time saver. You can now shoot in hero mode for streaming and share while you're at it. As well as you can also live stream in 1080p on social media. Get Max Hyper Smooth Stabilization while broadcasting through the GoPro app, and save footage to your SD card to check out later. It also includes a new 6-microphone audio array that can capture a true 3-dimensional soundscape, while its additional microphones can provide an abundance of audio data that can be used to cancel out background noise and focus in on our voices or other desirable sounds. Finally, with its Power Pano feature, you will also be able to capture a full 270-degree panorama in a single image. This shooting mode uses on-camera horizon leveling to capture a single 6.2 megapixel super widescreen shot that is perfectly aligned and free of stitching errors or movement artifacts. Next is Insta360 One X2. This is a promising 360-degree camera that addresses the majority of the issues we had with its predecessor. This One X2 is slightly larger in size than its predecessor, and it now has a color LCD on the front that serves as both a viewfinder and a mode selector. Now in terms of performance, you can shoot in every direction with its super 5.7K 360 capture and then select your favorite angle later, or you can choose just one lens with its Steadicam mode for ultra stable wide angle footage. It has got a better stabilization and horizon leveling algorithms to keep your shots steady without the use of a gimbal. And when it comes to selfies, you can use an invisible selfie stick to capture easy drone-like angles in third-person perspectives with the flick of a wrist. Another noteworthy feature is that the camera is now IPX8 rated waterproof, which means you can take it underwater to 10 meters without a case. And at last, for audio, it employs 4 microphones to locate and focus on your voice regardless of how you hold the camera, while its new smart wind reduction algorithm ensures that you only hear what you want. Next up, we have the Ricoh Theta X. Ricoh's new Theta X brings improved image quality and user functions to its Theta series of 360-degree cameras, making it easier than ever to shoot, view, and share. It takes full advantage of the increased size with a 2.25-inch touchscreen display, providing more image area, comfortable viewing of your footage, and more room to use it as a touchscreen for camera settings. It features a new 48-megapixel CMOS imager, lens design, and image processor that will allow you to capture 360-degree video at up to 5.7K 30p, with enhanced image stabilization as well as 60-megapixel stills. And here you can also live stream 4K footage from its USB port, posting the 360-degree experience with your friends or viewers. In addition to the improved image quality and user interface, this Theta X also adds a removable battery, a micro SD-XC card slot, and 46 gigabytes of internal memory, allowing you to swap batteries or cards as needed and continue shooting without having to stop. And finally, when it comes to connectivity, this Theta X can now connect directly via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi to a smartphone or a wireless router to transfer video calls and stills, update firmware, and add optional plugins. Next is Trisio Lite2. A new 360-degree camera that takes extremely detailed 8K photos and offers excellent stitching. It weighs about 150 grams and has the most recent design, AnyScene Full Scene Adaptive Imaging System, which effectively solves the problems of brightness suppression and darkness compensation. It allows for panoramic shooting of various scenes while providing a high-quality visual experience. This camera can precisely capture the ambient light of any complex indoor space by combining an aspherical distortion-free optical lens and a sophisticated CNC motor with node rotate technology. You can simply press the shutter button to capture perfect 8K 32 megapixel high-resolution images. And when it comes to its storage, it has 8 gigabytes memory for storing photos and built-in battery that can last for about 200 minutes. And at last, for the app, using its Trisio 360 camera app, you can remotely control Trisio Lite2 to complete a panoramic shot within a 20-meter range. Next is Kandao QooCam 8K. There's no getting around the fact that the QooCam 8K is significantly larger than its 360-degree camera competitors. It's much larger and more cumbersome. And inside the camera is a large 3000 mAh built-in battery that will last the entire day or shoot. Regarding the performance, it offers a lot of advantages over other 360-degree cameras. The first is obviously its ability to capture 8K video at 30 frames per second and 29.4 megapixel photos in JPEG and RAW format DNG, thanks to its two 1/1.7-inch CMOS sensor. It can also shoot in 4K/120 frames per second mode, resulting in super slow motion videos. While the videos can be recorded in 8-bit MP4 and 10-bit ProRes formats, another noteworthy feature is the 2.4-inch color OLED touchscreen, which allows for real-time previews of photos and videos, and its QooCam app that enables for some pretty extensive editing options, such as Smart Track for keeping a subject in the center of the frame, trimming videos, using various filters, and adding music. Lastly, we have the GoPro Fusion. This Fusion can record everything and capture spherical video and photos, allowing you to find the best shots later. It appears to be extremely durable, with a rubberized outer shell, rounded corners, and side panels, with a built-in grip stripe. By shooting in all directions at once, it can capture incredible 5.K videos and 18 megapixel photos of everything around you. Its over-capture mode is simple to use, allowing you to convert spherical videos into traditional 1080p videos from any angle on your phone. And in addition, unlike most 360-degree cameras, Fusion has a plethora of sensors, enhanced audio and voice control. Its immersive 360-degree experiences will replay spherical footage in VR to immerse everyone in the moment alongside you. And at last, with the GoPro app, you can create, edit, and share videos, as well as preview and playback shots on your phone. Even better, this app is fully compatible with iPhone 6s, iPad mini 4, and later devices. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.